Birds of a feather flocks together. Birds are known to fly with birds of like species because of what they have in common. We notice that the human beings have the same tendency. When I was in high school, during lunch period, we would go down to the cafeteria, and you notice at various tables, different type of people. At one table, we would have the people of Asian background eating and enjoying lunch together. Another spot, we would have the Italians. They would be eating and enjoying their lunch together. On the other side of the cafeteria, we had a group of Spanish people eating lunch together. Another spot, we had people of color, and they were eating and enjoying their lunch together. What put these people together was common interests. They spoke the same language. They was from the same similar type of background, and they really enjoyed each other because of what they had in common. Birds of a feather flocks together. You are known by the company you keep. If you are a strong person, you gravitate toward other people of strength. If you want to run a business, I would suggest you start hanging around people that are already in business because of the common interests. You will learn how to develop an aptitude to run a business. You pick up so many things regarding business by hanging with business people. If you notice that you are a person that don't have many good tendencies like strong character, then what I suggest you do is hang around people that have a strong character if you want to better your position. I notice another thing too. If you notice people use slang words and not using proper English, they attract other people who want to use slang words and don't speak correct English. If you're concerned about speaking correct English, I suggest you begin to fraternize with people that are using good, proper English. Birds of a feather have a tendency to flock together. If you want to have a good relationship and you want to be married and have a happy home, I suggest you begin to associate with people that's interested also in being married and having a happy home. And your chances of developing a good marriage and having a happy home would intensify. It will become great. Whatever dream you have, what you should do is try to associate with people that have a similar dream. If you're a person that want to be an automobile mechanic, what I suggest you do is try to associate with people that have that same interest. Try to go and associate yourself with neighborhood garages. Talk to the mechanics there. Notice what they are doing. Notice how they live, the type of tools they use. If you are interested in selling, what I suggest you do is go to your local library and get books on becoming a salesperson. Learn about all the sales strategies, the way they approach individuals, and this will help you out in your sales career. If it's about selling various things like insurance, learn about the insurance and health industry. In other words, associate yourself with the interests that's attracting you, and you'll become more successful. The more you identify with your interests, the better off you're going to be, because birds of a feather indeed flocks together.